This is the video for the QR code that you scanned from your toolkit talking about how to convert from a fraction to a mixed number. Okay, so in the earlier video, we converted from a mixed number to a fraction, which is usually an improper fraction. Okay? And so in this part, the second part of your toolkit, it will be converting from an improper fraction to a mixed number. So let's use the example that we used in the earlier problem. We'll go from this improper fraction to a mixed number. Okay, so 17/2, and we are trying to convert to a mixed number. Okay, so the steps. Okay, the first step is to write this as a long division problem. Okay, so 17 divided by 2. Remember that a fraction can also be read as the numerator divided by the denominator. Okay, so 17 divided by 2. Kind of like 17 divided by 2 or 17 divided by 2. Okay, so this we can convert it to a mixed number by actually doing the division problem. Okay, so let's go 17 divided by 2. So how do we do that? So the first step, actually, let's do this. Step 1, write the fraction as a division problem, okay, which is right there. And then step 2, do the problem. Okay, step 2, do the division problem. That's a S. So we go 17 divided by 2. How many times does 2 go into 17? It is 8, because 8 times 2 is 16. That gives you a remainder of 1. Okay, so this next step is pretty cool. All right, so step 3 is to use this to write your fraction. Okay, the answer that you got here to write as your mixed number. So the whole number, the big number, is going to be the number you got up here. Okay, so that means the whole number is 8. The numerator is the remainder down here. Okay, so that's a 1. And then the denominator of your mixed number is by this number on the side here, the divisor. Okay, so that is how you determine the whole number. So let's say step 3, arrange the answer from the long division problem into a mixed number. And remember that the whole number is the top number right here. I forgot what that's called. Okay, the top number. The numerator is the remainder, and the denominator is the original denominator. So if you look here, the 2 here is actually the 2 that was up here as well. Okay, so this right here was how we found this mixed number from this division problem. Okay, So we'll use this in our example in our toolkit here. Okay? So earlier I didn't use the proper words, but the whole number is the top number in the division problem. That is called the quotient. Okay, the top number is called the quotient. Okay, the numerator is the remainder. We know what the remainder is, which is the remaining part here. And then the original denominator up here, or this number right here, is the divisor. Okay, that's called the divisor.